This keyboard promises to be the ultimate tool for both gamers and typists, but can it truly deliver on both fronts? Let's dive in. The NEWNAN mechanical keyboard, specifically the orange and black model with blue switches, aims to bridge the gap between intense gaming sessions and productive workdays. Right out of the box, the build feels solid, and the aesthetic is a nice blend of professional and subtly gamer-oriented. The core of any mechanical keyboard is its switches, and these blue switches offer that satisfying, tactile click and audible feedback that many users crave. For typing, this translates to a very responsive and enjoyable experience, making long writing sessions feel less like a chore. The increased efficiency is noticeable. It feels like your fingers are flying across the keys. When it comes to gaming, the NKRO or N-key rollover is a crucial feature. It means that no matter how many keys you press simultaneously, every single one will register. This is absolutely essential for fast-paced games, where complex commands need to be executed instantly. The keyboard handles this flawlessly, ensuring you won't miss a crucial input during those clutch moments. Beyond the core typing and gaming performance, the ergonomic design is a standout feature. The sculpted keycaps and the integrated keyboard shelf are clearly designed with comfort in mind. After extended use, whether it was a marathon gaming session or a full workday of typing, there was a noticeable reduction in wrist strain. It genuinely feels more comfortable than many standard keyboards. The inclusion of rich multimedia shortcut keys is another thoughtful addition. Accessing volume controls, play pause, and other media functions with a simple key combination is incredibly convenient and streamlines workflow. It's those little touches that elevate a product from good to great. Overall, the NEWNAN mechanical keyboard with blue switches is a compelling option. It successfully blends the tactile satisfaction and performance needed for gaming with the comfort and efficiency required for typing. It's a versatile keyboard that doesn't compromise on its core functions, making it a strong contender for anyone looking for a reliable and comfortable mechanical keyboard for both work and play.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.